Install Kickstarter gear clip on Kickstarter gear. Lubricate Kickstarter gear with lithium soap-based grease. Lubricate Kickstarter spring with lithium soap-based grease. Install the bush. Install Kickstarter shaft assembly and spring using special tool Kick Spring Installer S1108. After installing the spring, fix Kickstarter gear. Install washer and circlip. Install new oil seal after lubrication. Remember, number side of oil seal should always face up. Remember, place V-belt case cover on wooden block to avoid damage to mating surface. Install V-belt case cover. Tighten 11 bolts of V-belt case cover. Always tighten bolts in crisscross pattern to avoid warpage with 8 mm socket at 7.2 foot-pound torque. Fix V-belt air filter element. Fix protector seal. Fix new seal. Damper. Fix new air duct seal. Install V-belt air filter cover and tighten its 5 bolts. Tighten bolts in crisscross pattern with 10 mm socket at 7.2 foot-pound torque. Install engine oil strainer bolt with new O-ring. Tighten oil strainer bolt at 14 foot-pound torque. Install oil drain bolt with new washer and tighten at 16 foot-pound torque. Tighten engine oil gallery bolt with new washer and tighten at 9.6 foot-pound torque. Install transmission bolt with new washer and tighten at 9.6 foot-pound torque. Install oil dipstick with new O-ring and tighten. Remember, cover the screwdriver with cloth to avoid damage to dipstick. Fix the breathers at its locations. Fix the drain hose with clip lock. Install Kickstarter crank. Remember, align the notch on Kickstarter crank with projection on V-belt case cover. Tighten Allen bolt with 5 mm Allen key and torque at 8.7 foot-pounds.